Hello, I'm Gavin Clark and I'm with the National Museum of Computing at Bletchley Park. The museum houses a huge array of working computers, the largest collection in the world, some 50,000 artifacts, big and small. And they have an amazing range of volunteers who maintain, preserve, and answer questions about those systems. Andrew Herbert is one of those. He's working on the EDSAC rebuild. Andrew, if you had to give us one fascinating fact about the many systems at the museum, what would it be?
It'll be the programmers think it's a 17-bit computer and the hardware guys think it's an 18-bit computer, and they're both right. It turns out in the hardware there are 18 bits, but the first bit of every word, every number, every instruction is essentially used to set circuits up. So it's more like a strobe than a piece of data. The only place where this gets to be confusing is, as well as short numbers in one word of 17 bits as a programmer, 18 as a hardware guy, is you can also do arithmetic on what they call long numbers when two words are put together. And then magically the programmer sees 35 bits because you don't need to use the bit in the middle for setup. You can use it for data. And so from the programmer's point of view, it's a very strange machine. You have single length integers of 17 bits and double length integers of 35 bits, and no one quite explains to the programmers where the extra bit came from.